Hello and welcome to our video today on ordering decimals. So what we're going to look at with our objective is firstly to know the value of specific digits in decimals, and also to order decimals in ascending or descending order. So let's start by looking at our place value in decimals. We have a decimal point which comes between the units and the tenths. So after the decimal point, we've got tenths, which would be 0.1, so the first place of decimals, hundredths, which is the second place of decimals, and thousandths, which is the third place of decimals. And then we've got a units, tens and hundreds going the other way. So 0.1 or tenths is one decimal place, hundredths is two decimal places, and thousandths is three decimal places. So if I put a number in here, I have got 346.529. Notice I don't say 5.529, I just use the individual numbers, 0.529. So that's 5 tenths, 2 hundredths, and 9 thousandths. And there are places of decimals. So when we're ordering decimals, we're going to write these numbers in ascending order. So we've got 23.245, 3.245, 23.425, and 3.542, and 23.4, 3.52. We're going to write them in ascending order. Ascending is going from the lowest to the highest. So we look around here and we look through them, and we're going to write them. A little tip for you: if you're writing decimals in order, write them out like this, with your decimal points in line, your units in line, your tens in line, your tenths, your hundredths, your thousandths in line. It makes it easier to look at. So first of all, we're going to look at our units. We've got a 3.2, we've got a 3.5 and a 3.5. So we're going to look at the 3.2 first. We're looking all those with 3 at the beginning, and then we look at the next number, and we've got a 3.2, so that would come first. And then we've got a 3.5 and another 3.5. So we're looking at 3.245. We've got a 3.5 here. We've got another 3.5 here. So we look at the next figure, which is a 4. And so we look at the next figure. Now on this 3.542, that's a 2, but the one underneath it would be a 0 on the end. So that one comes next. And then the 3.542. Now we've looked at the ones with 3 as a unit. We're going to look at the other numbers, and they all begin with 23. So they're all 23, and we look at the next figure, which happens to be a 2 here, so that'll be the next one. And we've got 2 lots here with a 4. We're going with the same rule, so 23.4 would be here, and that would be 23.2, so that's going to come first. We've got 23.4, and then after it we've got zeros, so that would come next, and then 23.425. So these are our 6 numbers in ascending order, starting with 3.245 going to 23.425. Notice that where you've got just the tenth, then the hundredth and the thousandth would be zeros. Okay, so that's 0.400. Thank you for watching. I hope that this helps you with ordering decimals and understanding the place number of decimals. Thank you.